Namo
नमो नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Namaste.
नमस्ते।
Sarvebhyah Namo Namaha. Welcome. It's nice to see at least 3 people today. Generally, it is only 1 or 2, no? Great. So, last week we covered, actually, I have covered the grammar portion except Tavatu Pratyayam and Ta Pratyayam. There are 2 past tense Kridanda Pratyayams are there, which alone we have not covered. If I am right, I have covered Kartari and Karmari Prayogam also. Isn't it? Kartari, everything we have covered. What is left out as per my view from the grammar portion is, one is this one, that is Chit Chana Prayoganam. That we have not covered. Chit Chana. Second, I have not covered Tavatu and Ikta Pratyayam. And in this group, I saw Tavyat and Aniyar, but it is not in the book. Those who are going to exam, I want to cover first. So Tavatu and Ikta will cover. As we go further, up to next August, we have a class, so we will cover that also. So from once this is our group, class-wise, I am going to cover the other parts, like your Shukti, your Subhashitam, and the, that there is a story is there, no, Raghuvamsat story. That also we have to cover, Kavya Katha. This we will cover within two weeks. I will be able to cover it. Then I have the question paper for Parichaya. That is this Sabaka question paper we have. So those of you who are writing the exam now, even those who are not writing also, doesn't matter. Attempt the question paper. We will thoroughly discuss each question paper. Easily 100 out of 100 you can score if you go through the question paper. Because generally that is what is repeated. Number one. Number two, it will test your knowledge also. Whether you are really fit to write the exam, you can decide it. It is, now we are writing the exam not to score and get into a job. No, we are writing it just to see whether we are good in understanding, and the competitive spirit must always be there. That's the only idea. So with that view, maximum once everybody joins, I think some of them have gone on vacation, no, because of this January thing. So once they join, Tavatu and Ikta will cover first, and then straight away we'll go to the question paper. In between, for a sir who is going to write the exam this time, he is telling, for him, I will try to cover all the 9 exams, all the 10 by going through other parts. Even if you want one extra class, any day you can point out to me. I will call you, and one to one we can finish, because others can wait. They are not writing, so it is not a big issue. So no problem.
Thank you so much.
So, no problem, sir. It is my responsibility now. So now we will go through lesson number 2. Okay. All of you have the book, though. You can kindly open the book, lesson number 2 from
I
Parichaya.
hope it is okay with Amrita Bhagini and Uma Bhagini. It's okay, I think. If you go by lesson, because last week we covered our first lesson.
First lesson we cover. Amrita was not, Uma was there, no, last week. Oh, Uma madam also not there. Hello, Amrita and Uma. Can I go to the lesson 2, or would you like to go through lesson 1 again?
No, ma'am, please carry on. One to
Okay.
second.
Okay, madam. Amrita ji, is it okay?
I don't have the book, so you guys
Acha.
carry on. I will just listen and follow along.
Okay. But somebody, many of us have that e-book. Can I send it to you? But not now, because I will take my own time, so it will be. I
Yeah,
will
so
send it to you after the class is over, okay?
yeah,
I
that
have
is
the
good.
e-book in my, this one. Okay. Anybody else is having also, you can forward it to her, because all of us are having it in our, once we join the course, they send the e-book also. So that is there. Now we are going to the lesson number 2. Can I request, sir, can you read Sukti?
Madam.
Hmm.
Sukti, first is, आलस्यम हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महान रिपुः.
Correct. So, this, if I have it, I will share it with her. Zoom. Okay. I'll open my file. Are you able to see this?
Mahoday. Yes, we can see.
Okay. So, madam, for Amrita is not having the book, I thought I'll open my PowerPoint. So, Alasyam hi Manushyanam Sharirasthe Mahan Ripuhu. So, Alasyam we all know. Even in our own language, Alasyam means you know that laziness. So, he is generally this he, tu, those words are used to fill the what you call the chandas we call it. That is that raham which comes with that. Sometimes they give the meaning of certainly, isn't it? Is it not so? Like that. In this here, certainly is the meaning here. He is a nipata, we call it. It is just a filler, but at this particular place, it gives a meaning certainly. So, alasyam, that is the laziness, is certainly manushyanam. Can you tell me which vibhakti is?
Third vibhakti, madam.
Manushyanam.
Manushyanam.
Ramanam.
So bahuvachanam.
Shashti,
Tritiya
Shashti.
vibhakti.
Shashti vibhakti.
Shashti is it?
Shashti.
So Ramanam is always Shashti vibhakti, no? Always go to the one which you know very well and compare it. So Manishyanam, of the human being. Okay, Manushyaha, Ramaha, Manushyanam, Ramanam. Of the human being, this laziness certainly is Sharira Stite. Stito, I don't know who always put a Visargam. Because Visarga Sandhi you have not studied. But this O became because of there was a Visargam after the Tha. So, Sharira Stitaha is the word there. That becomes O, that when you learn Visarga Sandhi next year, you will come to know of it. So, Shariram, you know. What is the Paryaya Padam for Shariram?
Body,
Shariram. Deha.
Deha.
So, Stita, Stadatu. Stitaha, what is the meaning? Tishtati, what is the meaning? Standing.
It is there.
It is there, correct. So, Sharira Sthite, there is something which is there in our body. What this Manishyanam body, that is our own Shariram, Alasyam is there. And what is that fellow? Mahan. Mahan is this one, that is Maha Sabdasya Rupam. Mahan Nakara and the Pullinga Sabdam. Okay. Mahaviraha, Maha Nirupaha, Maha, like that Mahapati, like that we are telling, no? Means very big, Shrestha, greatest. But here it is in the opposite side direction. Maha, very big, Ripuhu. Ripuhu means enemy. Okay, Shatru. Ripuhu is Shatru. So, Alasyam is something which is Mahan Ripuhu. Kasyaha Mahan Ripuhu? Manushyanam Mahan Ripuhu. Tesham Ripuhu, Manushyanam Ripuhu. And where it is not somewhere, it is within your own body. That's the problem. See, morning if I have a class, getting out 5:30, even for me it is very difficult because the season is like that. We want to be inside that our bed only. So, Sharirasya Mahan, Sharirasthite, it is always there. It is sitting in your body only. It is for you to control it and get out of that. That's the problem. So, the English meaning, can somebody tell me just in English? Amrita, can you try? Alasyam Manushyanam Sharirasthite Mahan Ripuhu. Translate.
Laziness is the biggest enemy residing within man.
Within the body of all the
Within the
people.
body.
Okay. Because there is exact translation I am telling, but generally you need not write exact translation. You can write only the Bhava Artham if you write. What you said is okay. Okay. Alasyam hi Manushyanam Sharirasthaha Mahan Ripuhu. See, I have written down something. This, when you are having time, you can go through it. But this is how we studied. Whether when you take Alasyam, it is a Napunsakalingam, Dvidiya Vibhakti. Because Napunsakalingam, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvidiya Vibhakti identical, you know. Phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani. So here it is in the Dvidiya Vibhakti. This particular laziness, it points, that is this one. So it is that. He. This is Pada Purnartha Arthakam. Pada Purnam, I told you, no? Padam means a poem is put into two, three padams. For example, one line generally split into two padams. Two pada means two portions. So when you read, with the, say for example, I can't hold my breath for a long time. Such a person like me, I can't read Alasami, Manushana, Sarisama, and like that, I can't read. I need to breathe in between. But the chanda should be proper. Both should get the equal space. But looking at it, Alasyam, Manushyanam, Sarirasta, Mahan, something else is needed, a filler. So, Pada Purnam, just to make a filler, the he is put. But in this area, in this particular place, it gives extra meaning like certainly. Alasyam certainly is Sharirastita Mahan Ripuhu. That is what it is putting. So Pada Purnam. This remember, Padam means the part of the poem. Manushyanam Pullinga Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Sharirastha, that is Pullingam Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Sharire Stitaha, like that. Mahan Mahat Sabdam Pullingam Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mahast Stapam will take the rupam of Mahan for Pullingam, Mahati for Strilingam, and Mahat for Napusalingam. Then Mahat Sabdam is into all the lingam. Because it is not just nothing but a Visheshana Padam, no? It can go to Strilingam, Pullingam, and Napusalingam. So all the Visheshana Padam will be always in all the lingam. This you have to remember. For example, if I say Unnata, that word I am telling, Unnata means tall. That can be applied to men, it can be applied to women, it can be applied to a tree, it can be applied to say some yanam or some napumsalingam also. So Unnata has to be Unnataha, Unnata, Unnatam. This is nothing but Pullingam, Strilingam, Napumsalingam. Because all the Visheshana Padam will be always in three lingas. This you have to remember. Ripuhu, you know, the means. Now this you can Anvayam we have seen. Manushyanam Sarirastha Mahan Ripuhu Alasyam Hi Tatparyam. Alasyam Eva Manushyanam Sarirastha Mahan Shatruhu. Normally English also in up till Parichaya, even in English you can write the English or your mother tongue. I think Samskrita Bharati is based in Tamil Nadu. I don't think they allow Kannada. So it is up to
No,
you.
they have.
English.
I have Kannada medium, madam.
It's allowed for you to write exam, no? In Kannada
Yeah, no, they
language.
have a head office in Bangalore.
Bangalore also.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
it's okay. Because I don't know. I thought it is headquartered in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Well, I studied that, so I imagined that one. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And we have, this is next Sankhya Vasaka Mandal we have seen. Okay.
Ma'am,
Already
one small
tell me.
clarification. This Sharirasto, Sharira plus Stitaha,
Mm.
correct, na? Sandhi.
Sharira. See, Shariraha is separately one word. Sthitaha is a verb, standing. Now you are joining them to make a Samastapadam. So what is this
Oh,
mean? Sharire Sthitaha, in my body. So seventh Bhakti. Saptami Bhakti. Sharire, in my body, Sthitaha, which is there. So if you separate, you should not separate a Samastapadam. Here it is
okay, okay.
Samastapadam. Two words have been joined and given one.
Oh, it is not Sandhi.
As you go further, as you go into say Kovida or something, first thing they will ask you, tell the Vigraha Vakyam of this Samastapadam. They will ask that question. So what is Sharire? Split the words. Then you should say Sharire Stitaha. That which is in my, in when it comes seventh Vibhakti, na? Saptami Vibhakti is in, on, like that. So Sharire Stitaha has become Sharira Stitaha. Vidya, you know, no, Vidyalayam? It is a Samastapadam. How it came? Vidya is a
No, but
Strilingam.
Vidyalayam is a Sandhi also, no? Vidya.
All Sandhi is there. In all the Samastapadam, Sandhi is compulsory. But
Okay,
Vidyalayam is not a single word. Now by
okay,
Samastapadam it has become a single word. Originally,
okay.
what is Vidyalayam? Vidyayaha Alayam. Where Vidya is, it is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaka. There is a Samasa. There is a Vidya, that is Alayam. This Alayam is belonging to that Vidya. So Vidyayaha Alayam, Vidyalayam. That now you don't have Samastapadam, so you don't have to learn. But you should know Vidyalayam is not as one word, it is two words are there. So somebody has joined a two word and given to you. So like that there are thousands of, I mean, almost everywhere you will see Samastapadam, but now you don't have. So you don't have to worry about it. Next, what we have to learn is because we have studied all this
Visheshana and all that.
Visheshanam, so please leave it, okay? And I hope you have done the abhyasam given in the book. Okay, match
Yes,
the
yes, ma'am.
following.
Yeah,
That and
yeah.
all person you can do, and if you have a problem, you can always ask me. Now this Vyavaharika Sabdaha, definitely question will come. Okay. So that also you have to learn. Vyavaharika Sabda, where it starts. Let me see. No.
In my book, it is page number 31.
Yeah. Let me go. I hope you can see. Okay. Where this PowerPoints, it is not given to me. I just copied from what is mine. I am not able to convert it into PowerPoint. Okay. Anyway, you are able to see it. I am happy. So we have to now learn various rasas. There are 9 rasas are there. Rasam means taste. We have learned so many rasas. So there they have given us some 6 things. This is given in the book. Tiktaha, Katuhu, Maduraha, Lavanaha, Kashayaha, Amlaha. These are all the taste. We every day we go through it. If you look at this picture, you know it looks like a nice sweet. So what type of word you will be using to describe this sweet? Maduraha. Maduram means, are you able to hear me? Okay.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a sweet. When you point out, what did you eat today? I ate maduram. Maduram modakam. Modakam can be in karam also, sweet also. Some people make everything. So I ate maduram modakam. So and modakaha is in Pullingam also. It is in both the words. So maduram modakam I ate. That means maduram denotes to sweetness. Okay. Second, katu is karam, very which is, spicy, small children. This is katu. There's green mirchi picture is there, no? This is katuhu. Katuhu means karam. And then Madurai Katuhu. Tikta means kasapu. This one, this paharkai. What do you call it in Kannada, sir?
Hagalkai. Hagalkai.
That one. This fellow.
Karela. In Hindi, it is Karela.
In Hindi, Karela. This fellow is taste is tikta, kashapu. We cannot eat it. It is, but people have to eat. It is good for health, but generally nobody eats. So tikta means kasapu, katu means karam, madura in sweetness, lavana. Lavana means you all know. Even salt we are using. No, lavana means salt. Where it is tasting salt. The sea water is salty. Then kashayaha is something called tuvarp. That is, it is not it is not tiktaha. It is not kasabu, but it will not be maduram also. It will be a different taste. We all know it. We have used this. Kashayaha means we can in Tamil I call it as tuvarp. It is a special taste. Okay. So
Like
kashayaha.
like amla.
Like amla. Okay. Then amla or this thing also you take it. This is we call it as amla is a special taste for imli we are using, no? Puli in English. Sorry, Hindi, imli. That is amla actually. But
No.
this
I was talking about kashaya is like amla the fruit.
kashaya you cannot call it as amla. It is twerp. We are
Actually,
drinking
as
kashayam. It is
per
not. Yeah.
as
But
per
we have
Ayurveda,
tasted it, we are not able to exactly place it.
Yeah.
Ayurveda says Amla has all the 6 qualities. That is why on Ekadashi we typically take one
we have to use.
one keep chewing one Amla for the entire day in order to keep it fasting going, because it has all the 6 ingredients.
Oh.
But yes, Ayurveda says that.
Very nice. So these things they will definitely ask you. They will give the English name for bitter. Like that, if they ask, you should be able to write tiktaha. To make sentences, that will be easy for you. I request Uma And Amrita, choose one like Katuhu. Give one sentence. Sir, for Madhuraha, give one sentence.
Sweet can also be Gunavachak. So, Mama Putri Bahuhu Madhuraha Asti or Asi?
Asi is
Asi.
you. Asti, you are the
Okay.
Pratama Purusha only you are taking Mama Putri.
Ha.
Okay, Mama
Mama
Putri, she is very
Bahuhu
sweet.
Madhuraha Asti.
Okay, okay. But generally, when we talk about taste, try to use a food item. Okay.
Okay.
Narikela phalam bahu maduram asti.
Bahuhu
Okay.
Maduram Asti.
Adi mari, you can tell it. Tikta, Umaji, tiktaha.
What is this thing for?
The tiktaha means bitter. Kashapu vital, no?
No, what is the word for pavakai?
Pavakai, pavakai. Kya kare
Karavellam. Karavellam.
Karavellam.
Aham tiktah, no, tiktam karavela
Na kadami.
khadami.
Okay. But better you eat it. It is very good for health. அப்புறம் லவணக அமிர்தா sea water.
Samudrajalam. That how to say? Samudrajalam. Lavanaha asti. Lavanam asti.
Lavanaga will do. Lavanaga is a pullinga also. Okay. Then amlaha pulipu. Sir.
Amlaha. Vyanjanam Bahuhu Amlaha Asti. Vyanjanam.
See, acha. Bahuhu, why you are using? Acha, Vyanjanam is singular. Okay, okay, correct only. Vyanjanam singular to bahuhu, bahu, bahavaha. Correct. Okay, varnaha. Now, next thing we are going to learn. Sir, read it.
Varnavachaka, sir. Shwetaha.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes,
If we have to say marichika, that is chili is very pungent.
Yeah.
Kattu would be how would
No, katuhu. If it is single katuhu, otherwise katuhu is the sabdam of Guru sabdam. If you want to use all the marichikas are very karam, you want to say like that means katuhu Guru sabdam use it. Guru guruhu guravaha. Katuhu katu katavaha. Okay, marichikaha. Okay, katavaha bhavati. Bhavanti. Like that you have to use. Yes, madam. Shweta, make one sentence. Uma, Shweta Varnam. Anybody try Shweta Varnam because Varnas and all you know, making sentence is very important. Amrita also you can try Shweta Varnam, Krishna Varnam, Neela Varnam.
Mama Lekhani.
Mama Lekhani.
Shweta Falake Likhati.
Shikshika Shweta Palake. Palakam Palake, correct. Likhati. Okay.
Neela Akashaha. Neelaha Akashaha. Sundaraha Drishyati.
Okay, very good. Very nice. Next. Pita, Manjal, yellow. Pita Varnam. Mahavishnu Pita Ambaram Dharati.
Japa.
Mahavishnu Pita Ambaram. Ambaram means dress. Okay, yeah. Ambaram means dress. Pita Ambaram. Always Mahavishnu Pita Ambaram Dharati. You tell me. Ambaram. You tell me for Pita.
I was trying to say the flower.
Okay.
The flower
Pushpani.
is yellow color. So Japa Kusumam. Japa Kusumam means,
Ah.
I don't know what is it in English.
You tell in your language. Generally, all
Daswala.
languages. Okay.
Daswala. Daswala,
Okay.
it is used in Ayurveda.
Puja.
So,
Okay.
Japa Kusumam,
Hmm.
Pitaha Varna Asti.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Raktaha.
Hmm. Hmm. I like
Gajananaha.
red. I like red color. You tell me.
Maya
Maya.
Raktaha.
Maya and karmani. Try normal kartari. Aham
Okay.
start.
Okay. Aham. Aham nahi. Mama Vastraha Raktaha.
Okay, Uma, you try.
Uh,
Rakta.
will it be Mayyam? Mayyam Haritavarnaha Akarshati. Green color attracts me.
Okay, that tell me attracts. You want to say Akarshnam? Okay.
Akarshati.
Okay, that is Harita Varnam. That is what you are wanting to say. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So will it be Mayyam?
Mahyam comes only for certain particular verb like dadati, rochate. Rochate means I like. So you should
Mayyam.
say you should not say something else. Akasna Mandal will never come with the fourth
So
vibhakti. Fourth
Mayyam,
vibhakti is very special. Yeah.
So
Rochate
Mayyam,
will do.
Mayyam Haritavarna
Rochate.
Varnam Rochate.
Correct. That you can use because that particular fourth vibhakti will go only with the certain dhatus. That is very important. So dadati, you cannot use anything else except fourth vibhakti. This is how you have to remember. Okay. What else? Sir, you are stopping somewhere, no? Which one you try to tell? Raktam. Okay. Tell me.
Mama Asanam Raktaha. Rang is a Sanskrit word. Color is.
Now you are learning that only, na Varnaha.
Varna. Sorry.
You are learning that only. This is a problem with the new language. We forget everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have to keep talking daily basis.
Yes, sir.
So Mama Asanam Raktavarnam Asti.
Okay.
The puja pit is red color.
Correct. Next question, asti, asi. Asit past tense. Not necessary. You can use the present tense itself, no? Okay.
I said asti.
Okay, I heard asit. That's the problem. Okay. So Raktavarnaha. Okay. Mama Ishtavarnam Raktavarnam Eva. Like that. I like only red color. Okay. Aham Ichami. Aham, madam told, no, what is it? Pita Varnam. Aham Pita Ambaram Eva Ichami. அல்லது மம புத்திரி பீட்டவர்ணம் ஏவ இச்சதி. She likes only that. Something like that. Simple sentences. Because somewhere we have to start. Otherwise, the sentence making will become a big headache as we go further. Harita,
I'll try one. Neela Lohitaha. Neela Lohitaha, which is purple color, I think.
No, Neelam.
Neela Lohita is purple, no, ma'am.
Purple. Okay. So purple
Devi.
what?
Devi Tara.
Okay.
Vastram Neela Lohitaha Asti.
Okay.
The goddess Tara.
Neela Lohita Varnaha Asti, yeah?
Devi
Neela
Tara
Lohitaha Asti. It is
means
blue.
goddess Tara wears purple color dress.
Okay.
That's what I wanted to say.
Okay. So these are the colors they have shown also. So we know Rakta Varnam. That is orange color is Naranga Varnaha. Neela Varnam we all know. Patala Varnam. That flower is the no, that Roja we call it. Patala Varnam pink. Shweta Varnam we all know. Harita Varnaha. Pita Varnaha. There is one more Kapishaha Varnaha. That is dark brown, like coffee color we call it. No, I like a coffee color silk saree. So Kapishaha Varnaha. So these are all the Varnas as per this book we are learning. Then Chart Sloham. Can somebody read, sir? Can you read the Chart Sloham of second one? Last we just read.
Yeah. Hey,
Chart
hey Ramba.
Sloham, just explain to me what is Chart Sloham.
Chart Slok is something like hidden meaning or
funny thing. First it will be
fun.
like a funny one. Like the girl in the first lesson, the girl says, for what is that? He is asking Vihinaha and something. He said Dudya Bhakti. I cannot be his Dudya. So there will be a pun. Sledai we call it. No, Sleshma.
Fun.
It will be a pun. Meaning will be different, and it will be poking some fun also. Like that it is. Okay, now you read it.
Yeah, actually, I have learned this shlokam from Chinma Institute, so I know the meaning. I'll read it. I like this one very much. Hey Heramba, Kimamba, Roditi Kuttaha, Karnoho, Lutatya Nibuhu, Lutatya Nibuhu. I forgot all this. Kinte Skandaha Viseshtitam, Mama Pura Sankhya. Sankhya Kuta Chakshutam.
Okay. So here we have to first split. First, forget about Chart Sloham. A Sloham, once you get it, you should know how to split it. Each Padam you should be able to split and see what it is and understand the meaning of each Padam and rewrite in the way in which it will become like a prose order. So you understand how to read the meaning. Okay.
Shall I tell the meaning, madam?
Tell the meaning.
Hey Hiramba, actually, Mother Parvati is asking Ganesha. Hey Ramba. Hey Ramba means Ganesha.
Sorry.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Hey Hiramba. She is calling him. Hey Hiramba. Hey Ganapati. Like that. Kimamba. Kim plus Amba. That's a Sandhi. So he is replying.
There is
what
no
mother?
Sandhi there. Hello.
No Sandhi?
Kim Ambala, there is no Sandhi. Kim plus A. It is just Varna Melanam. Sandhi should be something like Savarnadita Sandhi, and here nothing has happened. Im plus A, Ma. So it is only Varna Melanam.
Varnam, okay. So Kimamba. So he is asking, what mother? Amba means mother, no? Roditi Kutaha. Why are you crying?
Rodishi.
Sorry. Rodishi Kutaha.
Rodishi Kutaha.
Because this is Madhyam Purush.
Very good. It is. That's exactly I wanted emphasis. Since it is Madhyama Purush, sorry. Now you will be able to
Rodishi Kutaha. Why are you crying? She is asking him. Parvati Devi is asking Ganesha, why are you crying? So he is replying, Karnau Lutatya Agnibuhu.
Wait.
Agnibuhu.
So, 1 minute. Karnau, you know. Karnaha means
years.
year.
Yeah,
Karnau
2 years.
2 years. That's
correct.
Right. Here, Lut, It, Ya, Ig, Ni, Buhu is there. Some Sandhi has happened. Correct. Some Sandhi is there. I agree. Agni Buhu Munnadi, there is some Sandhi is there. Lut, It, Ya. What should be there?
Lut, It, Ya is Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi. So what would have been there? Lutati
plus
Agni Buhu.
Agni Buhu, correct.
Has become Ya. So Lutati plus Agni Buhu. Agni, you know, fire.
Yes. Buhu is birth. What is born from fire?
Correct. Because our Lord Muruga was born from some 6 fires, no? Then correct. All joined together, he became Subramanya. So Lutati means just that year, no?
He is squeezing.
Like squeezing. That is called Lutati. So he says his ears are very big, no? For So this Lord Muruga, who is Agni-bu, younger brother, goes and excuse his ears. So he is Roditi. He is crying
Rodhi.
because of that. Now Parvati, what to whom she is now talking?
Now
Read.
she will be talking to Skanda. Kinte Skanda Vicheshtitam.
Cheshtitam. Cheshta means, even in Tamil and Sanskrit it is
Mm,
cheshta
mm.
means
Yes, yes.
doing mischief. Masti nahi karo,
Mischief.
we are telling, no, masti karti. Same thing. So she is looking at Skanda, that is Lord Muruga, and ask him, what is this? Kimidi? Why you are making such masti? Why you are doing that? So that is Vicheshtim means masti karta hai. So why you are doing this mischief? Like that she is asking.
Kinte
Now,
is which this thing, madam?
Kimmiti, that is for poem they have put Kimte. Is kin im is there. Kim plus te. Im has become in nakaram. It is known as that is Anunasika
Apatmani.
Sandhi. Anunasika
Anuna.
Sandhi. You have not studied because Anunasika comes under Hal Sandhi. We have not yet studied. Vanjana Sandhi, Hal Sandhi. You have studied only Savarna, sorry, this one, Ach Sandhi only you have studied, no? Swara Sandhi only you have studied. Hal Sandhi is not there for this year, so we have not studied. As per Hal Sandhi, when the Paravarnam has the first letter as Anunasika letter, the Makaram will become Nakaram. That is one is there. So here it has become Nakaram. So Kim has become Kin. Kim te, what is te means Tubhyam. Why you are Skandaha, why you are doing this to him? Vicheshtitam, itna masti kyun karta hai aap? Like that, she is asking to Skanda now, Parvati. Now who is answering?
Skanda is answering.
What is the name given there?
Skanda only, no?
No, Shanmukaha. It is written in my this one. Shanmukaha is 6 faces. Skanda has 6
Correct.
faces, no? So Shanmukaha. Shan stands for Shat. Here also, Shat has become Shan because of Anunasika Sandhi. Shanmukaha, that is Kandaha or Subramanya, he is answering to mother.
Mama Pura Sankhya Kuta Chakshusham.
Chakshusam means eyes. Chakshu means eyes, no?
Correct.
Chakshu, chakshu, like chakshun. So it is an Apusalinga word. Chakshu means eyes. He is complaining to mother, this Ganpati is not sitting idly, he is counting my eyes. Because he has a special face, no? 6 faces. So each 2, so 1, 2, 3, he is counting, irritating the boy. So he says, Mamapura, who is standing before me, Sankhya Krita, he is doing the counting of what? Sakshusam. All my eyes he is counting. I got irritated, so I did that to him. Then Parvati.
Naitate
Split.
Ichitam.
Naitate will become?
Nait
Nai will
plus
become what? Na iti. Na plus
correct.
e.
Na plus iti.
A plus e will become no. Sorry. A plus a will become nai. That is Vriddhi Sandhi. A plus a become I, Vriddhi Sandhi.
A plus a.
So na etat. Okay. Read.
Na iti plus ta plus
this is not good. This na etat uchitam gajasya. Ganpati, gajasya means here Ganpati. What you are doing, you are counting the eyes. Na etat. This is not okay. Na etat uchitam. Uchitam means it plus u to u. So uchitam is there. This is also
Pura Rupa Sandhi.
Oh, it plus u n is there. Purva Rupa means yes will come. Always one avagraha chinnam will be there. It plus u means 2 plus a. That is n sandhi. Okay. Na etat uchitam. Na etat tu uchitam. This is not okay. Uchitam means okay. Na okay. This is not okay. Gajasya, Ganpati, what you did is not okay. You are counting the eyes of the boy. This is not okay. Then Ganapati, what he says?
Charitam Nasam Mimittemba Me.
What now Ganpati is telling, Mama, you hear the story, Charitam. You understand what he has done. Nasam, he has got a long this nose, long one. He is mimite. He is
Trunk.
measuring it. He is started measuring the nose of the Ganpati. So Ganpati got irritated. So he counted the eyes. Though he got irritated. So he went and did Lutati. His ears, he is doing Lutati. So now Parvati cannot do anything because such a funny fellows both are. She started laughing. That Parvati, we pray to you. You take care of us. That's all. Okay, yeah. So balance if you read, this will be very nice. Okay. So Tavadevam, after hearing all these things, Sahasana fast very quickly. Below all showing all these things. Hasitavya. She started laughing, Parvati. Okay, Patu Vaha. You are Patu means save me. Help. Padatu means you help me, you save me like that. So you have to kapatu with in Tamil or Sanskrit, whatever. Kapatu comes from this patu. Please save me like that. Okay. So now this is two children are even in our house children are playing. Even in Parvati's house also those fellows are playing so much. That is the idea. So next is there is
Samasya.
one, anything you know, I think it is over. Samasya, Pudir. Samasya means something they will tell with the
Riddle.
inner meaning. You have to find out what it is. Yes, sir. Read it. Read the poem. Tatena.
Tanena katitham.
Tatena.
Tatena
Tataha means father. Pita. Tataha. Many houses people call Pita as Tata in some languages also. In Sanskrit, Tataha stands for Pita. Tatena.
kathitam putra.
Mm.
Lekham likha mamagyaya. Na tena likhito lekah pituragnya na lopita.
Okay. So don't look at the artham. Madam Umaji, can you please split the sentence and give the meaning to each word? Tatena. Tataha means father, Pita.
Tatena kathitam putra.
Putraha, that is Sambodhana Pratama. That is one exclamatory mark. Is there no?
Ah,
Tatena Kathitam. What type of sentence it is?
Tena kathitam.
Kathitam means Katayati, that Tasya Ikta Pratyayam. So that is, he told, Tatena Kathitam. What type of sentence it is?
Is it one of the pratyayas?
Okay, but looking at the sentence, is it Kartari or Karmani?
Karmani.
Karmani, because Tatena Tritiya Bhakti. Okay, and there is no Karma Padam. So they have directly put a Napusalingam, Kathitam, they have put it. Okay, it was told by the father. Okay, the minute you see any sentence, Katrapadam is always Pratma Bhakti. Mama, what do we say? Aham Padmavati, I am Padmavati, like that I am telling. Aham, like that we start. But once you go to Maya, Ramaha Patati, we say. Once you say Ramena, you know there is no Kartrapadam there. So Karmapadam has taken effect. That has to be Karmani Prayoham. So look at the Kriya Padam also, you will come to know what exactly is happening. So, Tatena cannot be Katitam because you know, looking at it, Katitam is a verb. So, Tatena is Tridya Bhakti. That means it is Karma Padam based. So, Karmani Rupam. So, because you have the Karmani Prayogam here, you have to learn it properly. Putra, that means Sambodhana Pradama. He is calling, my son, like that. Next, tell me, madam.
Lekham likha mamagnya. Lekham likha. Likha is not lotlaka. Lotlaka.
What? Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. Lika,
Lekham
Padato, Padatam, Padanto, Pada. One you keep, like Patadatu, something in the mind you keep. Immediately, look to you correctly found out. Immediately you should say it is Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanamar, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanamar, Pratama Purusha. Whatever you want to say, you have to say. So, Likha, Pata, Gacha, the Madhyama Purusha. So, Putra, he is somebody standing before him. So, he is telling me, Lord Nagara, you write. What you write? Lekam. Write a letter. Okay, lekam is nothing but write a letter. Patram is lekam. So you write one letter. Mama Agnyaya. As per what I dictate. Okay, Mama Agnya. Agnya, you know na? Mama Agnya.
Yes.
As per what I say, you write a letter. Okay?
Agneya. So this
Agnya, not Agnya, Agnya, yeah, Agnya. That is this is Ja and that Chakar's last letter Nya is there, no? Ja and Nya together forms this Nya, Jnanam.
No, but this has ya also.
Yeah, the Mama Agya, Mama Agnyaya. Correct, yeah is there. So as per my Agnya is Strilingam, so Agnya they have put it. Okay. Mama, as per my wish, you write a letter. Okay, madam. Tell next.
Of the vibhaktis, ma'am.
What is that?
Agneya.
Mama Agnya. This is my order. Write a letter. Okay.
In the textbook, it is Mamagnya Ya.
What is there? I have this. What I have written on is there in the textbook, no?
Lekham Likha Mamagnaya.
Mama Agnya. Nya ya Agnya. Okay.
This will be a vibhakti, will it be?
Mama Agnya is Agnya is a Strilinga Rupam. Mama, you leave it. This is Samastavadam. Agnya, Agne, Agnya. So Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. As per my wish, as per my dictation, you write a letter. That is what the father is telling. Okay?
Will it not be Tritiya, Mahodaya? Lata, Lataya, Agnya, Agnyaya.
Agnyaya, where is another ya? Hrasva akaram kidare susme.
No, Agnyaya, no?
Agnyaya is not there. Look at you don't have a book, no, Amrita. Look at what
No,
I
I am
am.
seeing on the screen from your.
Yeah. Okay, Mama, you leave it. Okay.
Ah.
Nya is there. It's a single letter. Inga plus ja plus nya is there. Jnanam. Tasya hrasvam is there. Nya.
Okay.
Ya is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Agnya. If you want to say by agnya, if you want to say, one more yakaram should come. For example, lata, ya. I have to put one more hrasvam. One agnya. Just a minute.
Lata becomes Lataya.
Lataya.
Agnya becomes Agnyaya.
No, agnya.
By my order.
Yeah. Sorry. Correct. Lataya karke Agnyaya. Okay, sorry. I made a mistake. Okay, I'm sorry. Agnyaya is Trityavati. As per my order, you do this. It is he is telling as per my wish, you write a letter. Okay. Sorry. Next.
Na tena likhato lekhaha.
Likataha lekaha.
Lupita.
Na tena likataha lekaha. Na means negative. Okay. Tena. Saha Tritiya Vibhakti is Tena, correct? Saha Taute, Tasya Tritiya Vibhakti Tena. Am I right?
Yes.
So Tena it starts. Likataha. Tena Likataha. So where is the Karma Padam here? Sorry, Kartru Padam is not there. It has started with Tritiya Vibhakti. This is also Karmani Rupa. Okay? It is not written by him. Okay? Lekaha. He has not written that letter. Like that it looks now. Na tena likataha lekaha. Okay, it was not written by him like that. It looks like that. But let us see what is the real meaning. Pitur agnya. Now it comes no agnya. Now the meaning is very clear. Pitur agnya. Pituhu means Shashti Bhakti. Pita Sabdam you know na. Pitri Shabdam. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. When you come down, Pitra, Pitre, Pituhu, Pitari. It will go like that. So Pituhu here, both Shashti and Panchami is Pituhu only, but here you can take it as the sixth Bhakti. Pituhu, Agnya. Here Ra has come. It is something to do with that is Visarga Sandhi. You have not learnt. Okay, Ukaram comes chet before the Visargam, Rakaram, Ra will come in between. That you are not learned, so don't bother. So pituhu agnya, rakaram you can, repam you can replace with the visargam. So pituhu agnya na lopita. Lopam means that is not done. No, lopam means it is not there, nashtam ho gaya, like that. Here lopita means pitur agnya na. Pitur, what is the pitur agnya? Lika, lekam lika. But now he says pitur agnya na lopita. That means pitur agnya was done. It has been carried out. But previous sentences na tena likito likaha. He has not written. That is na tena. It was not written by him. Like that the previous word says. So this is the samasya here. Okay. Samanarthana, can you look at it? Somebody read. Amrita ji, please read. Janakaha.
जनकः पुत्रस्य कृते वदति, हे पुत्र, मम आज्ञया एकं पत्रं लिख. पुत्रेण पत्रं न लिखितं, पितुः आज्ञापि न लोपिता.
Like that it looks. How is it possible? If Pitru has no, sorry, if the Putraha has not returned Patram, then Agnya is Lopita, no? But they say it is na Lopita. So there is something mystery is there. So what is the mystery is this particular word. Na tena. Na is separate, tena is separate. You join them together, it will become natena. There is one word called natena. So, actually, something to do with the namaskar. Okay, natena. Natena means with respect, by praying to the God, something, I mean, obeying the father, something like that. Natena means having prayed, like that. So, here, na plus tena, if you split it, it looks like the boy did not write a letter. But the next sentence says, father's agya was done. So here this natena cannot be, na cannot be there because his agya was obeyed. So what it is the word natena is not there. It is na plus tena is equal to natena. Sir, can you please read the sloka arthaha now? Janakaha.
Yes, ma'am. So Janakaha putrasya krute dadati he putra mama agnaya ekam patram likha nateena vinamra bhavena patram likhitam pituhu ajnapichana lopita.
So vinamra means vinayena saha. Vinayam means obedience. Okay. Vinayena saha vinamra. Namrata, you are putting the name, no? Namraha means soft, obeying, something like that. So natena means vinamraha. Bhavena, with that, showing a great respect to what the dad said. Patram likitam pitu. He has written the patram likitam. He has written the letter. So pitu agnya abhi chana lopita. That is why pitu's agnya was not disobeyed. It was obeyed by him. Is it okay? Shall we proceed further? Okay. Again, this poem, very interesting poem. That is Angam Galitam. It is taken from we all know, no, Bhaja Govindam, something like that. Shankaracharya has written. These things also something like that coming from such a big people. Please read it. Subhashitam. You all know now what is the meaning, how do you split Subhashitam? What is Subhashitam? Can you split it? It is a Samastavadam. Su plus Bhashitam. Bhashitam means telling. Su means Shobhana. Su stands for Shobhana. It is one of the important Pradi Samasa. That is, Su is one, that is Upasargam. So, Shobhana Bhashitam, very good talking. Sukti, you are all learning Sukti, no? Every page, first line is one Sukti. So, how do you split it? Sukti. Su plus Ukti. Ukti means idea. Ukti. So, Shobhana
Uktihi. Su plus
Yukti.
uktihi.
Yes, Shobhana Yukti. Good thoughts, good ideas. So one single line ideas are given, and then 2-3 lines Subhashitani also given to you, Subhashitam. Okay. Just these all exam they are not going to ask. Read it, sir, from the book Angam Galitam.
Angam Ganitam Palitam Mundam Dashana Vihinam Jatam Tundam Ruddho Yati Gruhitva Dandam Tadapina
Munjati.
Munchati Yasha Pindam.
Once you say Munchati, only A will be there. If you don't split it, Muncha. You got to. So Munchati Asha Pindam.
Asha Pindam.
Yeah. So this is many times even in everybody's house also when they teach they tell it. Angam Galitam. You can see the meaning also. Read the red line where the meaning is there. Angam na sharirasya avayavaha. Avayava means each part. Okay. Read that Napusalingam, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, that all later on you read. Now this year you don't need it. But we are keeping it like that so that it doesn't go waste.
It is
So
lot of
Angam means Shari is a part. Sharirasya avayavaha. Avayavaha is plural. Avayava means one part. Hand is one part, like that. Galitam. Dhatu is gal dhatu. It means what is Shushkam abhavat. Shushkam means it dried up. Here it means it is worn out. Angam Galitam. Shushkam, Galitam, Galdatu means Shushkam. Shushkam means Atapat, something gets dried, no? Because of the sun, everything gets dried. Here dried means you have become worn out. Because of the age, as Jara approaches, you become worn out. Then Palitam means white color, Shweta Varnaha. Okay, it is written here, Shweta Kesha Yuktam. That hair becomes white, Palitam. Mundam means Shiraha, your Shiras. Shiraha is your head. So second line is Angam Galitam, Palitam Mundam. The body has got worn out, the hair has become all white. Dashana Vihinam Jatam Tundam. Tundam means mouth. Dasha means teeth. Vihinam means without. Jatam it becomes. So entire mouth becomes without teeth. That means you are really jara ho gaya, you are old age. Okay. Vriddho means old age. The person who has attained the old age. That is what vriddho. I'll put it here. Okay. Vriddha Yati. What grihitva dandam. Dandam grihitva with this fellow Vriddha Yati. Ya dhatu means going. Yati means gachati. Yati going and coming. That is why yatra we call it. Now from Yati it has come. So Yati is a verb, ya verb. It means going and coming. This Vriddha whose angam is Galitam, whose mundam is Palitam, whose tundam is without any dashanam, that fellow is going Yati with dandam grihitva, keeping the dandam in his hand. Tadabi, even then. Tadabi stands for even then. Na munchati. Moksham you call it now. Munchati means leaving out. Tyajati. Tyagam karne ka, leave it. Na tyajati. What? Asha pindam. That desire never goes for you. This is the sad part of our life. That's why Shankaracharya told Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Chandrapte Sannikite Kale, Nahi Rachati. Dukran karne means our grammar. One old man is learning grammar at the age when he is supposed to know who he is and find out who is the master. Shankaracharya looks at him and laughs and says, this is what? Bhaja Govindam, Nahi Rachati. Very nice, every house children are supposed to, at least in my father made us do it. So, Vriddha means Vayodikaha Yati Gachati. Api is Avyayam, that is never changes. It will be Api everywhere, it will be Api only. Grihitva, Swikritya, taking a one dandam. Dandam, you know dandam only. Tat, Api, even then. Na munchati, muchudatu. Okay. Mumocha, you are telling no muchidatu. Much means liberation, coming out of it. Na muchati, asha pindam, asham. He will never leave it. Okay? Enough? Anything you want to say? Can you tell it in English, sir? Try, all of you. Anybody who wants to tell? Angam Galitam. First read and tell. Amrita, read the poem. Subhashitam.
अंगं गलितं पलितं मुण्डं दशनविहीनं जातं तुण्डं वृद्धो याति गृहीत्वा दण्डं तदपि न मुञ्चत्याशापिण्डम्. Which means he's become old, his body has dried out, he's lost his teeth, his hair has become white, and he's walking with a stick. But still his asha is not, he's not able to give up his ashas in life.
Desire in life, okay?
Desire, yeah.
That's okay. Anvaya Tatparyam. Sir, can you read it in Sanskrit? Tatparyam. Vriddaha. Can you see? I have shown it.
Yeah. Vriddaha dandam gruhitva gacchati. Tasya shiraha Svetavarnayuktaha sanjataha.
It has become. Sanjata means it has become.
Mukhe dantaha api na santi. Avayaveshu shaktihi nasti. No energy in the body, in the body parts.
In the body parts.
Parantu tasya ashayam na tejati.
He is not willing to
give up that.
He cannot give it. Okay, yeah. Next, we have to read the story. Okay. There are a lot of Pada Sangraha, different words are there. Very, very important. Then only our this vocabulary will go up. Kindly read all these things. Kad Dhatu, Kru Dhatu, Harati. This Harati is very important because once you attach Upasargam, Paraharati, okay, Abhiharati, so many, all the meaning will keep on changing. So kindly go through is Nind Dhatu is there, Ni Dhatu, Creed Dhatu, Drishya Dhatu, Pa Dhatu. So and each Dhatu they have given 9 different one. We can take any one. What we will take? Nind Dhatu we can take, or Creed also we can take. Okay, we'll start with the Kad Dhatu. Can you send Latlakara Rupam Kad Dhatu? One sentence. Latlakara Rupam. Padati Padataha Padanti. That is Latlakara Rupam.
Ramaha Phalam Kadati.
Right. Same thing, Uma madam, change it into Karmani Rupam. Ramaha Kadati, Masar told. Phalam Kadati. Umaji, are you there? Karmani Rupam kar sakta hai?
Ramena Phalam Khadyate.
Kadyate. Because it is Phalam, both look the same. Otherwise, it should be Pratama Vibhakti. Amurta, convert it into Rit Lakaram. Future tense, Rit.
Ramaha Phalam Khadishyati.
Okay. Then somebody, sir, we will start with the sir only. Sir, use Tavyat Aniyar. He must eat fruit. Here, Tavyat Aniyar is always Karmani Rupam. Remember.
Ramena Phalam Kaditavyam.
Very good. Or Kadaniyam. Kaditavyam or Kadaniyam. Both are same.
Kadaniyam. Aniyar Pratyaya.
Tavyat, Aniyar, both same meaning. Since it is Phalam, used Kaditavyam. Okay. If it is something else, Pullinga Rupam to Kaditavyaha, Kadaniyaha. If it is a Strilinga Rupam, Kaditavya, Kadaniya. Since it is Phalam, Kaditavyam, Kadaniyam. Because this also, as per 3 linga, it will change. Ikta Pratyayam, next bit. I have not taught, but Padataha, Padata, Padatam. This is what, but that we will do later. Vanvati also I have not taught. Shatru Pratyayam we have gone through, sir? Shatru? It is.
No.
Okay, it is not done.
But it will come. Somewhere it is there. I think
okay. Tuman Pratyayam. Amrita for
Kaditum.
Kaditum. Tva Pratyayam.
Kaditva.
Kaditva. What lap pratyayam? You can
Now,
use.
lyap will not apply, no? Lyap is only for upasarga sahita.
You add a upasargam and tell. Kadu
Okay.
dhatu adds any upasargam and tell lap. Here samyak kaditavan. Some you use.
Some khadati. Is that the verb? What is it?
Kad dhatu, verb is kad, that root. Kadati is a prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. But here I want to use lap. Tumun he told kaditva. Kad plus itva he joined. Similarly, I told you some you used. So
if I
plus some
use
plus
some with
kad
khad
plus ya.
dhatu,
Some
khadya.
kadhya, correct. Tumun he has already told. So like this, there are some 10. When I studied this, I put a separate notebook only for Pada Sangraha. I wrote the meaning and wrote one sentences for all the 9 items. As you go in further, this will help you a lot. Now we are going to Kavya Kada. Those who are having the book, Subhashitam Vigatana. And another Subhashitam is there. Dhanani Jeevitam Chaiva. One more Subhashitam is there, sir. Oh, kindly read the another Subhashitam, that also will finish.
Yes, ma'am. Dhanani Jeevitam Chaiva Parartheng Prajna Utsujeta Utru
Srijeta, Ut upasargam. Srijeta, Srijidatu, Srijeta, Srijeta. It is Vidilingam. Padet. Vidilingam you have studied, na? That is why. Srijeta.
Sannimitte Varam Tyago Tyagaha Vinashyaha Niyate Kshamata Sati.
Vinashe Niyate Sati. This Vinashe Niyate Sati, this is a special prayoga. Okay. This is known as Sati Saptami. I don't know, Sati Saptami, you could not have read it because it comes after. Anybody knows Sati Saptami here? All the three? Nobody knows. Okay, I'll tell you. For example, just it is a very big topic, separate like Ikta Pratyay you have to learn. But just this word has come in Sati Saptami. I want to tell what is Sati Saptami. You can write down. There are two people doing two different things at the same time. Okay? For example, my mother is eating and father is coming. So what you will say? Pita agachati. Okay, Pita agachati, Amma Janani kadati. Two different things, two different people, but they are doing simultaneously. Okay, one father is coming, mother is eating. After seeing father, mother may get. I don't know about it. Okay, but I want you to tell in one sentence. That is like when mama was eating, when mother ate, I am asking the question. I am not asking the time. I am asking when it happened. I forgot when my mother was eating. So you will say when father came, no, that time only mother was eating. So with one action, you are trying to remember the other action. This is a simple. See, Ramaga, but Vanam Gatavan. Rama went to Vanam. Okay, Raman Vanam Gataha. He went to. At that time, immediately what happened? Dasaratha Mrutaha. Dasaratha died. Rama went, Dasaratha died. How to make it in one sentence? I ask, when Dasaratha died? Are Baba, Rama went to Vanam, no? That time he died. So, one Kriya, that is Rama went to Vanam, that sentence like that Kriya, that is Rama went to the Gataha, that remains the second Kriya. When that happened, when this fellow Mrtaha, when he died, when Rama went to Vana. So that type of construction, the first sentence, Rama went to Vana, it will be in Saptami Vibhakti. Rame Gate, when Rama went, Rame, seventh, Gate, seventh, Sati, you have to use that word, Sati Saptami. That is Sati, whether you want to use or don't want to use, it is okay. But this is a Sati Saptami sentence. Rame Gate, Dasaratha Mrtaha. So, in one sentence, I am making you remember when Dasaratha died. The second sentence, generally, when that happened is the question. When it happened, when this happened. So, first sentence, Rame Gate, which is in seventh vibhakti, it is a Jnapaka Kriya. It will make you remember. The second one, Dasaratha Mritaka, it will be same. It will never change. Dasaratha Mritaka will be identical. It says Jnapya Kriya. When that happened, I want to remember. Jnapya Kriya, this is Jnapa. This is a simple explanation of Sari Saptami. I think on Siksha only you will learn, not now. I think so. As per syllabus, I did not see it. Now here, Vinashe Niyate Sati. That means Vinashe Niyate Sati is in Sari Saptami. So when that happened, what is to be done? It is coming here. Just to remind you, this particular poem has the usage of Sari Saptami. Now, Pada Vibhagaha, can you read somebody? Umaji, can you read?
I think Umaji dropped out. I don't see her.
Okay, madam. You read it. Amrita. Sorry, I did not notice.
You want me to read the Shubhashitam again?
Yes, madam. Dhanani.
Dhanani जीवितं चैव परार्थे प्राज्ञ उत्सृजेत सन्निमित्ते वरं त्यागो विनाशे नियते सति. पदविभागः धनानि जीवितं च एव परार्थे प्राज्ञः उत्सृजेत् सन्निमित्ते वरं त्यागः विनाशे नियते सति.
So here Anvayam also you read. We are rewriting the Subhashitam.
प्राज्ञः परार्थे धनानि जीवितं च एव उत्सृजेत् विनाशे नियते सति सन्निमित्ते वरं त्यागः.
So तात्पर्यम् also read.
बुद्धिमान् मनुष्यः तस्य जीवनं सम्पत्तिं च परार्थे एव त्यजेत्. कुतः तथा उच्यते? यतः जीवनं सम्पत्तिं च निश्चयेन विनश्यति. अतः अनयोः द्वयोः सत्कार्यनिमित्तं परेषाम् उपकाराय त्यागः एव वरं भवति. Okay.
Now prajnaha means what is buddhiman manushyaha, who has her buddhi. Jnaha, wherever it comes, asya jnanam asti saha jnaha. Okay, where that jnanam is there, he will be jnanam. Okay, so yaha janati saha jnaha. For example, if you know Vedam janati, so Vedajnaha, Vedajnaha, like that we say it. So here prajnaha, here it means who has a pragyam, that is who knows what who is. We call him as a buddhiman. Buddhiman manshya pararte. Para means others. Artham means for the sake of them. Paraya. You know this Chaturthi Bhaktila Artham means paraya idam. For them. So pararte seventh for the sake of others. What they do, dhanani, that is their aishwaryam, jivitam, their self, their life itself, jivitam cha eva, usrujayat, tektavan, they tyaham karoti, they simply give all their dhanam to others, and by doing service to others, even their jivitam, they are ready to tejati, they are willing to tyaham kartum siddhaha bhavati, iti. No, why they are like that? They are ready to do everything for others, even the life, even the dhanam. What is the reason? Because what is important? Vinashe niyate sati. Everything is going to be destroyed. Vinasham, nasanam, kritavan. It is going to be destroyed. Nothing is permanent in this world. Vinashe niyate sati. Since you know everything is going to be destroyed, sannimite varam. It is important to give it, because what is the point of keeping you are also going to be dead, and these things also are going to be nasanam, they are going to be not there. So what is the use of keeping them? So sir, people who have buddhi, who are buddhiman, they know this aishwaryam or their jivitam itself is going to be not there tomorrow. It is better to tyagam, but it is better to give everything to others. That is the real meaning. So this tatparyam straight away you can convert it to English. That is, these intelligent people, they do they give up everything, not only their dhanam, their life also to others. Others here means parartha, for the good of others. That is what we call the thing. Problem is, vinashe niyate sati. Whatever is there in this world, it will become nashtam. It will be disappearing. So, san nimite. San means, some means good. Nimitam means karanam. San nimite, for good purpose, tyagaha. You give it up. It is varam. Varam means sreshtam. It is excellent. Varam stands for sreshtam. Melanadu Tamil. Okay, this is the English version of it. So these are Pada Sangraha. If you want, you can look at it. What are the Rupam, everything. Not necessary. This year you don't need all these things. So with this, we have to go to the story only. Quickly we will read the story. But whether story I have copied, I am not sure. Let me see whether story is there. Okay. So this Chitsana next class only I can talk. Now I don't have time. Kavya Kada. Okay. Sir, you read one paragraph. We will quickly finish it because 8:22 हो गया. Please.
अस्तु नंदिनी अन्यस्मिन् दिने नृपस्य परीक्षां कृतवती.
Just before starting, for Amrita, we will tell the story. Madam, the first chapter, the story is that Dilipaka is a Raghu Vamsasya Prasiddhi Rajaha asti. But problem is he doesn't have a children. He doesn't have any sandadi. And it is very important. Raghuvamsam is a very prasiddhi that is clan. So he wants to have a sandadi. So with his wife Sudakshina, he goes to his guru Vasishta and asks him why I am not having a sandadi. So Vasishta thinks and says that it is a shabam from Kamadhenu, that divine cow. Why? He asked. Because when she was lying in the shadow of that Karpaga Vriksha, you were coming back from Swarga and you never bothered to wish her. So she said, you will be without child. Oh my God, I did not hear why. Because Ganga was in spate. So in that sound you did not hear. My God, now what to do? You do service to her daughter. Where is she? She is Nandini, she is with me. That cow, that small calf is with me. You do service to her. Vanacharana. You go to Vanam, you have to become now you give up all your kingdom for the time being and become a Vanavasi. From there, you have to take care of Nandini. This is what the Guru says. So Sudakshana and the husband, that is Dilipaha, both have taken one Nandini. They are taking her to all the place, forest, everywhere she can eat and everything. Dilipa is such a good guy. He will never tell Nandini, go here, go there. Wherever she goes, he is going behind her, taking care of her. This is the story in the first lesson. Now, Nandini, Anyasmin dine Nrupasya pariksham kritavati. This is we start. Nandini is a divine cow. She wants to know whether this Raja is sincere. She wants to do a pariksha. Okay, sir, read. Sa Himalayas.
Sa Himalayas guham pravishtavati. She got hid in the
She entered a gufa. Guham she prashittavati.
Pravishta is
entered.
Okay. What is the dhatu, madam, here? Vishta?
Vishta dhatu. Pra upasarga purga. Vish.
Pra is upasarga.
Pra. Vishta. Pravishta. Pravesham means entering. Vish dhatu.
Okay, wish. Okay.
Vish will become ishta. Pravishtavati is tavatu pratyayam. That is the Kridanta, past tense it is. She entered.
Bhutkridanta. Dilipaha parvatasya saundaryam pashyan asid.
Pashyan is Shatru pratyayam, meaning he was looking at the beauty of the mountain. Continuously he is looking. Continuous tense, Pashyan.
Pashyan, Tada ekah simha Nandinim balatkareena gruhitavan.
So some danger has happened. In the gufa, there was a Simham. He caught hold of Nandini. But you know this because Nandini is trying to check him and she is a divine cow. She can create any scene. So now this scene has started. There is a cow, small cow, Nandini, and there is a Simha, and it has caught hold of that. Very pathetic situation.
तेन पीडिता धेनुः उच्चैः क्रन्दनं कृतवती.
Krandana means ha, the alaral we call it, no, Krandana. She started Uchai, very loudly she started shouting or crying. Tena pidita. Here Tena stands
कर्मणि
for Simmena. That is Simmena pidita. That Nandini, who was caught by the Simha, she started crying.
loudly. नृपः आक्रन्दनं श्रुतवान्.
He heard the sound.
धेनुम् अपश्यत्.
He saw the Dhenu. She saw that.
धेनुं सिंहः आकर्षति.
So the Simha is taking control of the Dhenu.
Acha, Akarshati here is not attraction.
He pulling that
capturing.
Pulling it towards it. That Simha is pulling the Nandini towards it.
Okay.
Akarshati. Akramanam karoti, like that. Akarshati. Next.
Dilipah kupitah abhavat.
He got very angry. Kupitam means angry.
Simhasya vadham kartum nischayam krutavan.
He decided to kill.
Nishangat banam swikartum karam sthapitavan.
There is a Nishanga. Nishanga means that Ambaratuni, they keep it behind. Those Raja who carry that
bow and arrow.
Bow and arrow. They have a bag at the back side where all the arrows are kept. So he puts his hand into that Nishangam. Nishangam here means that Ambaratuni. He is putting there, try to remove an arrow so that he can kill it.
Kintu karaha tatra eva sthagitaha abhavat.
But what is the problem? His hand got stuck there. It is not coming out. Sthagita means stopped.
Got stuck in that tuniram. Drupasya apamananam sanjatam.
He felt very insulted. Apamanam means opposite of manam, na? He felt very bad. What is this? I am such a big king, Raghuvamsha king. I am not even able to remove that. He is supposed to look after Nandini. Now she is in the hands of the lion. So he is felt very insulted, very angry.
Kopaha api adhikaha jataha.
So his anger went very much. My God, or normal simum, I am not able to. And what is this? Like a magic hand is also struck. So here, this is another scene created by Nandini to check the king. Whether he will be afraid, whether he will leave and go, or whether he will save me, she is trying to check it. That's the idea. So at this point, we will stop it. Next class, we will complete this and go to lesson 3. Lesson 2 is almost over. Only 2 para that we will easily finish it. Then next, because it is 8:30 Saturday, many of you might like to go. So I will stop at this point. Sir, can you tell me this one? Can tell a prayer.
Mangala prayer.
Yes, sir.
Om Purnamada Purnamida Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kasyat Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.